Yes, people, you don't know media facts now. We come to talk facts and I talk trash. Is in me. Yeah, man. Yes, people, we come to talk about the Chinese. The Chinese mechanic take over Jamaica. Has to be studied. You understand? Yeah, man, because we are going to address the citizens of Jamaica. We are going to address the Chinese taking over. Is what I'm trying to say. So, this is the thing. We are going to talk about some of the Jamaican people. Zine, because I realize anything we have to do with foreign, the frightened for, you know. Some of them Jamaicans are working, because you are telling me, say, the Chinese them have a warehouse, you know, mechanic warehouse, you know, out of ferry, that's one thing, and people want to look on the video.
Chinese Garage Jamaica.
I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them.
Well, I wait. Me hear say all them have to tell them say you don't have to come back some other day. People, y'all tell me say them people are park up outside. I wait. We know how mechanic things stay already now. It depends on where you go to mechanic if you do, or if you go fix your vehicle or whatsoever. Is what I'm trying to say. So yes, people, so why some of the time Jamaica make things extra, you know. You tell me say you that thing say one mechanic in a Kingston region, yeah. The people in the line out the car pack up. This come like when Krispy Kreme just come to Jamaica. People, me I tell you, you know. Remember, you know, a sweets this, you know. Krispy Kreme, you know, yo, me say it thing load up round there. And then after a while, when you look at Krispy Kreme now, round the shell out, yeah, that thing say the same thing that my people them crave, but look like the doctor tell them say them blood sugar higher now, so them not too ground there. But no, man, some of them people need to do better. I tell you, me know say Chinese them, but you don't have to make it thing look so. You understand? You don't have to make it thing look so, people. You have to me say people them the whole long stretch of line, the people them line off them car. I mean I say, wait, I want to know plan to get you, cause me know no robot round there we attack or one Elon Musk robot them round there work, you know. Me know say flesh and blood Chinese man them a work. And me know say them can't work for 50 car one time. You understand? Cause somebody go around here and I say, yo, man, I say, yo, I have to come back, and I say, you no must expect say that to go happen. But soon after this, you know, this soon die down for a little while. You know, we call Jamaica a thing Friday, you know. Then ram up one place about 1 week, 1 month or so, and then after that everything die down. Cause soon after this, all 100 car around there and then can't give it start out. Them have to go back to the local mechanic, them and every little thing. You see what I'm trying to say? But if you Chinese them cheaper and do the job fast and do the job good, me can't rank people them. Because you have some Jamaican mechanic. You man them dangerous, you know. Jamaican mechanic, you will go there if you change something. Round in an engine, and when you look, man end up back at something in a muffler. I saw a man them work and the man them would have bleed. Yo, you see all the dealership them at Jamaica? The vehicle, like company dealership at Jamaica. Yo, them bleed.
I need you to subscribe.
One bike man must be looking at one lady front bumper this, you know. I tell you, the bumper can easily deal with it, you know. See? He not get no big nothing, he just get one little dent right at the fog light there, so. Wow, I think I want 2023 Honda CRV. See, people? Yo, you see, especially the woman them in Jamaica, the woman driver them. Yo, the man them not wrong for chop them, you know. Because when the woman found out, I say, how much you pay? The woman tell me say nearly $500,000. The woman pay, we could have just buff out the little thing, you know. And the dealer, yo, Jano, I say, yo. I say, miss, Jano. No man, them chop you, man. That little something there what me see. Phone. Yo, and you see the woman kind of elderly, she don't really know, you know. You understand, but she have the money. And I say, yo, Jano. But some of them mechanic, I tell the people, down in a yard, down in a area, man, I tell the people, them wicked, man, them wicked. The people in Jamaica can tell them, me have all the bridging. Man, I want bridging and man, I fix him car, you know. Fix him Subaru and everything and very zine. And the man have one maybe 20 grand for give man left, you know. You see as the man carry, He says the man carry 30 grand, the 20 grand for the game people. The man say, yo, you have to go give me 10 more grand knockers. Something else want to fix. Jesus Christ. So the man say, brother, why you never fix it? What? Yo, man, I tell you, the man them can find fall pan vehicle, you see, man. Just the money, you know. See? And when the man them do get them, because I'm tell you what run Jamaica and make things worse. Greed. Greed mash up Jamaica. Greed people. Everybody does a grab and a chop and a this and a that. You see me? You see a Chinese man work, Chinese man just take them little dine. So you buy them little cheap something. And ray. Jamaicans, them a bleed. A Chinese man sell you 5 sippers for $100. Jamaicans, a 1 year get for $100. Them a bleed yo. You understand? Kawa. Them the weird lifestyle where they want to live, they want to go drink, they want to go smoke, they want to go do everything, and when the money don't know. Seeing people, when the money don't know, they might come back for more. Greed again. You see me? Greed again, people. So, me can't blame the people them for go there, so. But what me not like, the Chinese them, I take over every category in Jamaica when it comes to the market. Them take over a supermarket, them take over a wholesale, them take over some of my business, them the pharmacy, them the what else? Them take over some private business. Finally, Chinese come take over mechanic right now. But let me tell you people, it not really at a percentage, it not really gonna even shake up the local man them. Because if you go to a mechanic in Jamaica right now, when you look in a yard when they have all 10 car there, 20 car there where things need to fix. We don't know how people left them car give mechanic for days. We don't know them do it. When you call them, yo, we start to think, no, come here have 2 more in the line. And when I worst thing for left a car give one mechanic, you know. The man them fight. When you look, you go to pull up all one bar, and when you look at your car that out of bar, when you look at mechanic at
I need you to subscribe.
Jamaican mechanic them, I tell you, some of them are dangerous mechanic. I tell you, man, we take all your car and go on girl ends. You see it? Gone all a show. You there bed asleep when you get a call. Car right off. Them man are vile, man. I tell you, the mechanic, some of them mechanic. But the people them at Jamaica, sometimes we make things look away still. Why? Sometimes we make things look away. Because the whole of them pack up down like Chinese and they know they not get through the same day when they go down there. No? Them they down there wait, you know time hot now. Then go down there wait in a line, the car line off 2 sides of the road. You have to wonder if them people have something to do. You know gone down there because yo Chinese mechanic, wait, this, that. Come on man, nothing wrong if you don't make it Chinese, but you don't make things look away till like soon after this Chinese them can't get no break. You understand? Chinese them a go pop down. Remember say man them a human thing. You understand? They have the brains and everything for deed everything. They can't fix, you think they can fix 50 vehicles one time down there? You understand? And that's why I hold on the park out the road and they are the gate. Because most of them no can't hold on the car park when they have too much vehicle. We don't know how no be. I mean people, let me tell you this, you know. Some of them Jamaica where you see down like Chinese, they nah park them vehicle no local mechanic, you know. They nah park. If they go there and see 10 man and wait, they nah stop them and go somewhere else. So we don't know how come them a go down like Chinese and have a car park up in the sun and they wait. This has to be studied, may I tell you. Yeah man people, this no look good at all, but me still not like the fact say the Chinese them I take over. The man take over everything, all downtown. All downtown people, you know when you usually go downtown Kingston and you realize say yo, I just local like Jamaican usually have a stall them and have the thing them on the ground and sell. People right now, Chinese, them take over all that they spot there right now. Remember, say Chinese usually in a store now. Now, the man them out on the roadside now. You understand? Because, let me tell you this. This Chinese mechanic thing, you know, that is not nothing because it gone too late already. It done gone bad already. The Chinese, them take over everything in Jamaica. And that, Chinese, them come like some swan and ants, you know. You understand? Man, them get one business, then work as a control the business for 5 years, then next set of Chinese forward in. You understand? The man, them a lock down the industry right now. You see me? And it don't look good. It don't look good. Because when you say, when you look, Jamaicans them are slave out for Chinese them, you know. You see it? Yeah. We don't really see no Jamaican business up on the rise, like it's kind of limited. You see it? But the Chinese them have a brain. Them know if you do things fast and thing and rare. Because everything you go on now, it have its advantage and it have its disadvantage, you see me? But the people them man, they look away man. Watch ya. The people them pack up down like Chinese them and know them now get through the same day. Me have to wonder if it come like say as a one lug tool or one, you know when you put on your tire and one of the bolt them. Me have to wonder if everybody go down there change one bolt or something. And that more I know. Because I know say I know Elon Musk robot work down there. You see me? The Chinese them can't walk on 50 cars so fast. You know that too. Because it depends on where you go do. If you go do body work or you go do this or them things they go take a while. You see me? So why sometimes Jamaicans, I don't know, Jamaican come like some of the time, some of the people some of the time for cut out the frightened thing, man. You know you say mechanic, Japanese mechanic they whole on the run gone down there, gone line up out a gate. Like say something I give away free. You people? You that thing say the Chinese them give away parts free, like car parts free down there where one of them line up out a road. Remember the people at Jamaica, you know the Jamaica love freeness, you know. Zane? So you would have think say the Jamaican them run go down the Chinese give away something free. Guess you find out say and them go spend money. Run gone down the line. Yo, me I tell you, me never see so much car two side of the road line up so. Figure fix car so. Me I tell you people, you have to one day for Price Mart, then they are supermarket and a hurricane come. You understand? Yeah man. Cause the way the people them go on for the Chinese them. Me know say some of the Jamaican mechanic them then wicked them. They not do the program good. Cause how them work, you know. Yeah man. How some of them Jamaican mechanic work, you know, people. Zane, then we have fix up me, you know. I want bolt missing. Or say bolt. Say the bolt wear out. Zane? Or a nut wear out on the machine or on the engine. Rather than them tell you, you know, say yo when you come buy a new ray. Then we make you come and take a vehicle and say your vehicle good. By the time you drive go down the road, everything start fly. You call them, you know say something start flying and say, oh shit, you know say, shit I forgot to tell you. By the time you reach up back is the next bill you get. I saw them work. The Chinese them now, them man they will just fix your vehicle now and know say alright, that good. Everything start out. Some man mechanic them in Jamaica, man, they will fix it piece.
I need you to subscribe.
You have some man that got mechanic every day, every 2 days, every week. In car just live a mechanic. No, it's like the vehicle can't stop fix until you know good again. Yeah man. You tell the people. It don't look good at all. You see me? But the Jamaicans them, sometimes we know say we don't want Chinese them fixing a vehicle, you know. But come on man, do better than that man. You see me? I don't know nothing free them I give man. We don't line up down there. We don't know how to do it. We don't know how to get the time of the day. Especially in the week. You carry them park up out there in the sun. We don't know where now wait. No, so it come like say, you that thing say when you try man fix a car, you get one TV or you get one parts free or something. Make me understand, but I fix the vehicle I get fixed, you know. You understand? I fix the vehicle I get fixed. Cause mechanic, you know. You understand? The Chinese them fix the vehicle. If I want brake shoe for change or I want something for change, Jamaican mechanic can do it too. The only thing the Jamaican mechanic may because high and we chop you. You see me? Chop out your pocket. But come on man, you have some good Jamaican mechanic out there. Some good one with deal good and give you right price. And one thing in a Jamaica people, make sure say you have a trusted mechanic. You have to have a mechanic at Jamaica. Else your pocket bleed. You have to build a connection with a mechanic at Jamaica. Yeah man. You can't lose. You have to do it. You see when you go buy a car, you have to have that mechanic there for you man check for. When you go buy a second hand car, or somebody make sure say you have your mechanic to check up the engine, make sure say everything good. You have to have that mechanic there. You see me? The only thing, you're not going to really have the Chinese. Only disadvantage with the Chinese them, you're not going to really have the loyalty the way you could have said, you could have called them. Your mechanic, you know there's something wrong with the vehicle, where this, that. But you have some good mechanic out there where will look out for you. And not pressure you. You see me? With money and thing and way. But you have some, they dig out your pocket. You see worse, yo, let me tell you man. If you have a mechanic at Jamaica, one of them local one there, don't make you know say you have money. Me I tell you, cause he might go dig you out till he can pay 2 times. Bar can go every weekend. Pitney them away class, go school. Fridge ram up till all food spoil. The side girl them get their nice 30 pack a week. I saw him man them go dig out every man them know say you have money. You better act like say you don't have no money. You understand? Cause if they know say you have money, just know say either come like say when you're a foreigner. Zine? You know you're a Jamaican, right? And you have some foreign people come down for you. And you go all one shopper, you go on coconut man and you go on jerk chicken man. You better talk, you know. What me say? You better talk as a Jamaican, because if you make a foreigner them talk, if $1,000 for jerk chicken, if a foreigner them talk, I maybe 2-3 grand them pay.
I need you subscribe.
So, Jamaicans them work. So my people in the industry way. Yeah man, they dig out your eye man, a greed run Jamaica, man, I tell you, greed. Same like how you go when they dig out your eye. Greed, no matter how much billions they might get, greed they want more. Cause, you see we there, and some people are suffering, and some people are trying to make it, but we lifestyle we live. It now work out with stable money where we get, so people them might dig out money. You understand? So, although a mechanic man do a thing, you know. Man go, if a man see way when he can dig out the money, but look at some of them mechanics that dig out money and now using money for the right reason. You understand? Rather than go buy some new equipment for fix car and them look something. The man take it, go on a bar or him gone somewhere or whatsoever. Is what I try to say, people. Yeah man. It's dangerous. But the Chinese them now, because I don't know enough, but if we see more Chinese, something they are open up, you know. I don't know, I look at them, I go have, I don't know, I used to like them, I go expand it, and that no look good. The only way this can work out is if the same warehouse where the Chinese them can employ Jamaicans. Mechanic. That are the only way we could have said things could have even out if them did it and them could have employed Jamaican mechanic. But you don't know that I go already. Worse when the man them see 100 car out the door and wait. And Jamaicans over there. Man, and they know say 100 I'd be digging out of your eye. I tell you, because Chinese man them not too watch it look small money, you know. You see it? They just do it work. Yeah man, they just do it work, man. They just do it work. But you know look good for the industry. You know what John say? Chinese dead and rare. But if the Chinese them can do the work better and less time in, and you know if you yo car not ready yet. Yo man, you know long me wait for the car man, yo you know say. But just I realize say yo you want one piece of bolt right under the engine, right at the corner around the so under the transmission. Yeah man, you want about 3 or 4 bulbs. You know what? Just buy 10. I saw a mechanic them at Jamaican work. And it stress out the people them. And remember say we're full of bad road, you know. Jamaicans drive for spend. Let me tell you people. Jamaican drive for spend money. Anyway you go, once you drive out the car out of your yard, spending a go on. I tell you people. Yo, sometimes when you got parts plate in Jamaica, I say, yo, Jano. So we can't just walk in a birds or walk in some mechanic place or say, yo, me see less people. I say, but I so much car.
I need you subscribe.
Like, when I hear this man want rack and pinion, this man want ball joint, this man want one bag of something man them want for them vehicle. I say, yo, Jano, with them a road here. When some car are foreign, that's why car them with their foreign can sell at Jamaica and look fresh, you know, and you think it's a new vehicle. Because over there, so majority of the part of them have smooth road and them brake. All them do to service them vehicle, change them oil and everything over there, so you know. Tire rub down, them do that. And buy new tire. Out here, rotted. From back to front of the vehicle, front end, be a problem. Front end of Jamaica, you know, there is something, you know, safe. Right now in Jamaica, you better go for a Ford van. You better drive some big vehicle right now, because them a patrol ya. Just I say, yo, yeah man, just drive in, man. Drive in a parking lot. Parts. You say if you want to start a business in Jamaica, start one auto parts company. You can't lose. It come like supermarket. Only thing you can't eat the parts them. It's when you walk in. 2 of them when you walk in, you see one bag of people. People are buy this, buy that, rare. People want food, people want parts to put on their car. If they not have parts to put on their car, they can't drive to supermarket. You understand? Remember saying that traffic with us, so we want outside every day. And like foreign we're cool and we have a vehicle park out and snow catch and they just go under there. You understand? But me not like why Mudu Chinese them take over everything. I don't know what going on. I know where the government are really set up right now. I don't know what going on. I take over everything, you know, like nothing left for me. I tell her Chinese are supposed to take over about 85% of Jamaica right now. Yeah man. Everything in man take over, man. And it don't look good at all, because right now Jamaicans we can't do nothing over China right now, you know. And like we can't take over China right now. You understand? China take over everything in Jamaica right now, but government have got to sort out that, need to sort out that too. You see me? You know, look good. You see me? But if the people them see cheaper way with the Chinese and more faster move and them not for work boy, call mechanic, your part drop off. Them have to just go with that. The cheaper way is the better way for them. So people, you don't know enough media facts, you know, yeah man, you don't know. Respect, love and support. You see me? Yeah man. Like, share, subscribe. That is it.